You don't need 40 years of investing experience to build income after 50. You need 3 simple streams and the courage to start late. That's it. Most people think passive income is a young person's game, something you should have figured out in your 20s, something it's too late to build now. That belief has kept more people broke in retirement than any market crash ever did. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Some of the best passive income streams actually favor people starting later in life because you finally have 3 things 25-year-olds don't: capital, patience, and the wisdom to avoid shiny distractions. The first stream is dividend-paying stocks. Quiet, steady, boring in the best way, paying you simply for holding on. The second is real estate investment trusts, letting you own property income without ever fixing a leaking roof. If this is opening your eyes a little, go ahead and hit that like button. It genuinely helps this reach more people who need it. The third stream is creating a simple digital product once and letting it sell itself for years. 3 streams. No hustle culture required, just consistency. So if you're starting later, stop apologizing for it and start today. Subscribe, turn on notifications, comment which stream you're trying first, and share this with someone who still thinks it's too late.